Good morning, my dear class 8 students. Today we are discussing about an important topic, that is discount, sales tax or VAT. VAT means value added tax. This is a very common example that comes to your practical life. You have seen discount boards on majority of the shops, isn't it? For the last Onam celebration also you would have seen discount cards on the shops. Let's see the first thing. Yes, most of you have gone to restaurant places, isn't it? Before Corona. Now let's see the bill for this topic. Here this are the items which the person ordered. You can see service tax, VAT, Swachh Bharat cess, Krishi Kalyan cess and all. They are all given in percentages. Here service charge is 10% of the subtotal. That is whatever tax is there, it is calculated on the cost price of this one, or it is added to the selling price. Now let's see our topic. Sales tax or value added tax. A sales tax is a tax paid to a governing body for the sales of certain goods and services. So tax is governed by the government. It is imposed on the sales of certain goods and services. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. The sales tax is charged by the government on the sale of an item. Nowadays, the prices include the tax known as value added tax. Okay, so now you need to know the calculation part of sales tax and value added tax. Let's see. Students, I told you discount is an example of percentage decrease. Similarly, sales tax and value added tax is an example for percentage increase. Okay, percentage increase. Whichever method you preferred in profit, you can use it in sales tax or VAT. Okay. Now the direct method I'll teach you in this question, and in the next question I'll show you both the methods. Let us see the first question. The cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. The sales tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. Okay, so the cost price of a roller skates is rupees 450. Now the sales tax was charged as 5%. Now let's see the statement. Cost price of a pair of roller skates is equal to rupees 450. Rate of sales tax, that is percentage, is equal to 5%. That means 5% of rupees 450 will be increased. Okay, 5% of 450 will be increased. Let's find what is 5% of 450. 5 by 100 into 450, that is rupees 22.50. So an amount of 22.50 is added to 450. Why? It is calculated as sales tax. So what will be the bill amount the customer should pay? It is rupees 450 plus rupees 22.50 equal to rupees 472.50 paise. So the bill amount will be rupees 472.50 paise. Clear? Now we'll see another question. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. Okay. Now, the same method which you followed in the previous question we will do first. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax is 12%. So, what will be the amount of sales tax? It is 12% of 13,000. What is the amount of sales tax? 12% of 13,000. That means 12 by 100 into 13,000. 12 by 100 into 13,000. That is 1,560. 1,560. So the bill amount is 13,000 plus 1,560. That's equal to 14,560. Students, I told you, you can do this in the same step which you followed for percentage increase or profit. Let us see that also. Okay. Cost price of a TV is rupees 13,000. Rate of sales tax is 12%. What did you do in percentage increase? You plussed, isn't it? So here also we did the same thing. 100 plus 12. 100 plus 12. That is 112 112% of 13,000. So you will get the final answer directly. You will get the final answer directly. Students, first compare the two methods. This is the first method and this is the second method. In this method, you have two steps. First, find the sales tax and then find the bill amount. In the second method, what happened? You are getting the bill amount directly. You are getting the bill amount directly. Clear? So, students, I am telling you again and again, you can follow either of the method, but don't mix it up. Whichever method you are following, be sure with the steps that is involved in the method. Both the answer will be same at the final step. Here also I got bill amount equal to rupees 14,560. In the second method also bill amount rupees 14,560. So you should choose the method after reading the question. If sales tax is asked, you should follow the first method. If the final bill amount is asked, you can choose either of the method. Students, if you have any doubt, please call me and ask. Okay? I am here to help you. Next. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount is given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, find the marked price. Now listen children, is this question about discount or sales tax? The question is about discount. That means you should follow the method of percentage decrease. Okay, that you understood. Now after reading the question, you should know whether the marked price is given or the selling price is given. Here you can see that the selling price is given. The selling price is given. You have to find the cost price. You have to find the cost price or the marked price. Let's see. I have told you this is a case of discount. So 100 minus 20, that is 80. 80% of cost price is given as 1,600. That is the selling price. 80% of cost price is given as 1600. 80 by 100 into cost price is equal to 1600. So CP is equal to 1600 into 100 by 80. That is rupees 2000. Rupees 2000. So in this type of question, read the question carefully and understand it. Write the information given to you. That will score you 1 mark of the question, because it is very important that you should know what is given in the question. Is it cost price or selling price? Let's see the next question. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. Here you can see the selling price is given because I purchased. He already purchased it. So the selling price is 5400. 8% is the VAT. So you have to find the cost price. The same steps involved in the previous question. Here it is VAT. VAT means you should follow the method of percentage increase. Percentage increase. Clear? VAT and sales tax is of percentage increase and discount is of percentage decrease. Students, if you can, please repeat after me. I am not asking you to shout. Okay, I know you are grown-up children, but please repeat after me. VAT and sales tax is of percentage increase. Discount is of percentage decrease. Thank you, children. Now, let's see here. VAT 108%. Why 100 plus 8? So you calculated the cost price as 5000. Thus, the price of hair dryer before the addition of VAT is equal to rupees 5000. By this question, we come to an end of exercise 8.2. From Monday onwards, we will start a new concept which is very new to you, that is compound interest. So, make sure that you are thorough with ratio, percentage, profit and loss, discount, sales tax, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.